Hello everyone, I'm Ricky Aditya, an ordinary participant of MMM Global. I'm my status manager. I live in Karawaci, Indonesia, in October 31. Of course, I profit help for the sum 1,900 US dollars. And today, November 20, I received 17% bonus MMM extra for the sum of the 918 US dollars, and the total amount of the assistance I got was 2,818 US dollars. Thank you so much all participants who have profit help to me, and of course the founder of this unique community, Sergey Mafrodi. God bless you, MMM Globaros. Together we can change the world. So here is my story. We wait for you on the MMM Global. Long live MMM Global. Thank you.